If your Rheem Gladiator water heater is showing a red light and sounding an alarm, the leak sense system has detected moisture near the base of the unit. This system is designed to protect your home by shutting things down early, but sometimes it can trigger even when there's no real leak. Start by carefully inspecting the area around the bottom of the heater. Check the floor, drain pan, fittings, and connections for any signs of water. Pay close attention to the moisture sensor area at the base. Even condensation or high humidity can cause a false alarm. Make sure everything is completely dry before moving forward. Once you confirm there's no active leak, try resetting the unit. Some Gladiator models include a clear alarm button to silence and reset the alert. If yours doesn't, perform a simple power cycle. Turn off the breaker supplying the water heater, wait about 30 to 60 seconds, then restore power. This often clears humidity-related false triggers. If the alarm returns, inspect the leak sensor itself. It's usually located at the bottom as either a white wire inside a clear plastic tube or a red fabric-style ring. Ensure it's fully seated and dry. If it appears damaged or continues to trigger alarms, the replacement sensor kit may be needed. Bypassing the sensor is possible, but strongly discouraged, since it disables an important protection feature. Only consider that option temporarily, and after consulting a professional,